What if you could make money in the stock market without picking a single stock, without spending hours researching charts, watching the news, or stressing over market moves? In 2025, there's a strategy growing fast that lets complete beginners tap into expert investing without lifting a finger. It's called copy trading. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how people are using it to generate real passive income, and how you can start, even if you've never invested before. Copy trading is one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to get into investing. Instead of doing your own analysis, you literally copy the trades of experienced investors automatically, trade by trade, in real time. It's like having your portfolio run by a pro while you sit back and watch. And in 2025, with AI-powered platforms and social investing communities growing faster than ever, copy trading is no longer just a tool for tech-savvy traders. It's a smart, scalable way for anyone, even total beginners, to enter the market with confidence. So let's break it down, step by step. So, how does copy trading actually work? Imagine this. There's an experienced trader on a platform who's been consistently profitable. They make a trade, buying or selling a stock, ETF, or even crypto. The moment they execute that trade, it's automatically copied into your account in real time. You don't need to hit a button or analyze a chart. It just happens. Most platforms allow you to adjust how much money you allocate to copying that trader. If they invest $1,000 and you've committed $100, your account mirrors 10% of their move. The beauty is that you still have full control. You can stop copying, change traders, or withdraw funds anytime. This makes copy trading one of the easiest ways to participate in the market, especially if you're short on time, new to investing, or simply want to learn by watching experts in action. Some platforms even let you browse trader profiles and view their performance history, risk levels, asset allocation, and more, helping you decide who aligns best with your goals. Now let's talk about why copy trading is so appealing, especially for beginners. The first major benefit is simplicity. You don't need to understand technical analysis, read earnings reports, or guess which stock might go up next. You're leveraging someone else's experience. Ideally, someone who's already proven themselves. Second, it's a huge time saver. You don't have to constantly watch the markets or stress about when to buy or sell. The trades happen automatically, which makes this perfect for busy people who still want to grow their money. Third, transparency. On most platforms, you can view every trade a professional investor has made, how long they've been active, their win-loss ratio, their drawdowns, and how risky their strategy is. You're not blindly trusting, you're copying with data on your side. And finally, copy trading can be a powerful learning tool. By following multiple traders and analyzing their moves over time, you start to see patterns and strategies that work. It's like getting a front row seat in a masterclass, except your money's growing while you watch. But before you jump in, let's be real. Copy trading isn't magic, and it's not risk-free. One of the biggest risks is relying entirely on someone else's decisions. Even professional traders make mistakes, and if their strategy takes a sudden loss, so does your account. That's why it's crucial to diversify. Not just by copying one trader, but maybe several with different styles, time frames, and risk levels. Another thing to consider is market volatility. In fast-moving markets, trades can execute with slippage or slight delays, especially on less liquid assets. That can affect your performance, especially if your account is small. Then there's the risk of overconfidence. Seeing profits early might tempt you to dump more money in, without understanding the trader's long-term track record. Lastly, some platforms charge fees or profit sharing, which can eat into your returns if you're not careful. The key here is balance. Copy trading can be a great passive tool, but it still requires active thinking when choosing who to follow and how much risk you're willing to take. Choosing the right copy trading platform is one of the most important steps in getting started. Not all platforms are created equal. Some are built for advanced users, others for complete beginners. In 2025, the most beginner-friendly platforms include names like eToro, ZuluTrade, and Naga. These platforms have clean interfaces, built-in trader profiles, and offer filters to help you sort traders by performance, risk level, asset type, and even how long they've been active. A good platform should let you see real-time data, offer full transparency on every trader's history, and most importantly, give you control over your funds at all times. Look for platforms that are regulated, have strong user reviews, and make it easy to start with a small amount. Some let you begin with as little as $50. Also, check for fee structures. Some charge monthly fees, others take a percentage of profits. Read the fine print so you know exactly how your returns will be affected. Picking the right platform sets the tone for your entire experience. So take your time here and make sure it feels right before committing any money. So how do you actually get started with copy trading? Let's walk through it step by step. First, choose your platform. We mentioned eToro, ZuluTrade, and others earlier. Once you've selected one, head to their website or app and create your account. This usually involves verifying your identity, linking a payment method, and setting up basic account preferences. Next, browse the list of traders available to copy. Use filters to find someone whose style matches your goals. Do you want low risk and steady returns? Or are you okay with higher volatility for the chance at faster growth? Look at their win rate, average monthly returns, drawdown percentage, and how long they've been active. Once you've found someone promising, allocate funds to copy their trades. Many platforms allow you to set stop-loss limits or adjust the percentage of your balance used per trade, so use these tools to manage your risk. Finally, just hit copy and you're in. From there, you can monitor performance, make adjustments, or stop copying at any time. It's really that simple, and it's one of the fastest ways for a beginner to get real market exposure. Now that you're set up, let's talk about how to actually succeed with copy trading. First tip, don't chase past performance. Just because a trader made 200% last year doesn't mean they'll do it again. Look for consistency over time. Steady gains, low drawdowns, and a long track record matter more than flashy returns. Second, diversify your copied traders. Instead of putting all your money behind one person, consider splitting your investment across 2 or 3 with different strategies. Maybe one focuses on long-term equities, another on short-term forex, and another on crypto. This reduces your overall risk and smooths out performance. Third, start small. Even if you have $1,000 ready to invest, begin with a portion. See how the platform behaves, how trades are executed, and how comfortable you feel watching your portfolio move. Fourth, set alerts and check in weekly. Don't micromanage, but don't go completely hands-off either. Keep tabs on performance, news, and platform updates. And finally, be patient. Copy trading isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a system that works while you sleep. Let compound growth and good habits do the heavy lifting. So, can you really make money in the stock market without picking stocks? Absolutely, but only if you use tools like copy trading the right way. It's never been easier to mirror experienced investors and grow your portfolio passively, even if you have zero investing experience. But remember, success in copy trading, just like in any strategy, comes down to smart choices. Picking the right platform, following disciplined traders, managing your risk, and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button to help more beginners discover copy trading. And if you want more faceless, no-hype investing content every single week, subscribe to the Cash Chapter. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried to copy trading before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? I reply to every comment. Let's grow together, one smart move at a time.